Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to set app lock on your WhatsApp web. If you're using WhatsApp on your desktop, laptop, PC, if you use the WhatsApp regularly, continuously, if there is some important secret messages, so at that time you need to lock your WhatsApp web. WhatsApp is rolling out its new feature. You can now lock WhatsApp web without using any third-party extra app or tool. So just simply log in the WhatsApp web on your device. Simply click on three dots and here you can get the option app lock. Click on it. Okay, and then you need to enable the app lock from here, and then you need to enter the password. You need to set the password and then simply click on OK. That's it. And if you want to lock now, so just click on lock now. So when you try to open the WhatsApp web on this device, now it will every time ask you to enter the password. So when you enter the correct password, now you can easily able to lock your WhatsApp. Okay, so this is very nice feature added by WhatsApp. So if you use the WhatsApp web most, so you need to enable this app lock on your WhatsApp. Okay, so that's about it guys. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more useful and tech related content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.